ClawHub has over 13,000 skills for OpenClaw. An independent security audit found that 13% of them have critical issues. Malware, prompt injection, skills that steal your API keys. One skill called FreeRide claimed to provide unlimited free AI. It was actually harvesting API keys from every user who installed it. So before I give you the top 5 skills, I need to give you the security rule first. Because OpenClaw has shell access to your computer, and installing the wrong skill is not just annoying, it can be genuinely dangerous. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. 3 checks before installing any skill from ClawHub. Number 1, check the install count. Only install skills with 100 or more downloads. Malicious skills are usually new, not enough time to accumulate installs. Number 2, check the virus total scan on the skills ClawHub page. If it says benign, safe to proceed. Any flag, do not install it. Number 3, check the permissions. When you run the install command, it shows you what the skill is asking for access to. A weather skill that wants shell access to your entire computer is a massive red flag. Read the permissions before you confirm. 3 checks every time for every skill. Now the top 5. Skill 1, Agent Browser. Without this skill, OpenClaw can only talk about the internet. With it, it can actually use the internet. Agent Browser gives OpenClaw a real Chromium browser. Navigate websites, fill forms, click buttons, scrape data from pages without APIs. This is how the car negotiation story worked. The agent went to dealer websites, filled out the forms, sent the inquiries itself. This is how property research works. OpenClaw goes to listing sites, reads the pages, extracts the data, sends you the summary. 180,000 installs. Most downloaded skill on all of ClawHub. Install ClawHub, install Agent Browser. Skill number 2, Google Workspace. Connects OpenClaw to Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets. All of them through one skill. Summarize every email I received this week marked urgent. Check my calendar for tomorrow and prepare me a briefing. Find the contract I signed with that client last year. Create a Google Doc with today's meeting notes. If your work life runs through Google, install this first. 14,000 installs, 48 stars. Install ClawHub, install GOG. Skill number 3, Composio. The problem every tool OpenClaw connects to normally requires its own skill. GitHub skill, Slack skill, HubSpot. Each one adds tokens to your context. Agents get slower and more expensive. Composio solves this. One skill, 860 external tools. GitHub, Slack, Gmail, Salesforce, HubSpot, Notion, Linear, Jira, Stripe, and many more. Authentication handled. Token refresh handled. All connected through one integration. Best for anyone who uses more than 3 or 4 different work tools. Install ClawHub, install Composio. Skill number 4, self-improving agent. Every other skill gives OpenClaw a new capability. This one makes every existing capability better over time. Logs each session. What you asked, how the agent responded, and what worked, and what you corrected. Updates the agent's memory and preferences based on those patterns. After 2 weeks, OpenClaw knows you prefer bullet points. It knows you want Telegram alerts for urgent emails only. It knows your content research should focus on AI news. You stop repeating your preferences, the agent just knows. 132 stars, highest community rating of any skill on ClawHub. Install ClawHub, install self-improving agent. Skill number 5, N8N workflow. N8N is an automation platform like Zapier, but self-hosted and free. The N8N skill lets you trigger any N8N workflow from a single Telegram message. Example, new podcast episode drops. Your N8N workflow generates a LinkedIn post and posts it automatically. You trigger it from Telegram, run podcast post, and done. Example, weekly analytics. N8N pulls your YouTube analytics, formats a summary, emails it to you. You trigger from Telegram. Just say run weekly report. You never opened a dashboard. Install ClawHub, install N8N. Bonus, one skill to specifically avoid. Capability Evolver, 35,000 installs, most downloaded skill on ClawHub, and the community flags it as advanced users only. For a reason, it makes automated changes to your agent's core settings. Community reports, agents drifting dramatically from their intended behavior. You build an agent for content research, Capability Evolver changes it into something else. Skip it until you have been using OpenClaw for months and know exactly what you are doing. Top 5 agent browser. Give it the internet, Google Workspace, your entire Google life. Composio, 860 tools in one. Self-improving agent, get smarter every single day. N8N, trigger any automation from Telegram. Security rule, 100 plus downloads, virus total benign, check permissions every time. AI skills at ClawHub taught dev. Which of these 5 are you installing first? And what task are you going to give it? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University, where I talk about different tools and AIs in plain English every day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.